Today, we're going to clean an E80 module that hasn't been cleaned in 2 years. First, let's remove the 8 screws holding the fan in place. As you can see, a thick mix of dust and oil residue has built up from long-term use. We'll use a stiff brush to get the dust out. Do the same for the fan. A pair of tweezers comes in really handy for reaching deep inside the fan blades. To break down the grime stuck to the module, you can use some electronic component cleaner. The great thing about this fast-drying cleaner is that it won't cause any liquid or water damage to the electronics. If you don't clean this regularly, the module will overheat during operation, which can seriously shorten its lifespan. For heavy use, monthly cleaning is recommended.